Thank you. শুধু আসলে কিরকম মানে মমতার দিদি।
Hello there, this is Madhumita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a full transformation makeover video and I will show you all of this step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I present you Anurag Vishwas, my husband. And first we'll get rid of his beard and give him a haircut. Although I am not professional at it, but it's lockdown situation, so I have to do it by myself. It's done and he also washed his hair. Now I am applying set weight hair gel for men, ultimate hold, maximum hold on his hair. Now all hair is set. Now I am concentrating on his makeover. So first applying Biotic Bio Honey Water Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters on his face using a cotton pad. Then to moisturize his face using Biotic Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer on his face and neck. Please ignore his expression. Now I am applying MAC Prep Plus Prime Natural Radiance Radiant Pink on his face. It will add a glow to his skin. Now for flawless base, I am using Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer and applying on cheeks and forehead. Then for color correction, I am using NYX Professional Makeup Conceal Correct Contour Palette Medium and applying this color under his eyes, on forehead, around nose, bridge of his nose. Then blending all using a damp beauty blender. Now for foundation, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation in shade Toffee and applying a thin layer using a brush. I am also applying on his neck. Then for concealer, I am using this color from the same palette and applying under eyes, on forehead and around nose. Then again blending everything nicely. Then setting all these products using PAC Translucent Powder 08 and applying under eyes and T-zone area. Now I will contour his face using this color from NYX Professional Makeup Highlight and Contour Pro Palette Matte Finish and applying on cheekbone, hairline, and on nose. Now to enhance his brow, I am using NYX Professional Makeup Tinted Brow Mascara Espresso Dark Brown. After using all the products, his eyebrows were looking very light. That's why I am using this. Now it's time for glow and I am using NYX Professional Makeup Born to Glow Liquid Illuminated Gleam and applying on cheeks, on nose tip and bridge of his nose. Then taking little bit of this color from Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush and Contour Palette Sugar and Spice, I am applying on his cheeks, and on nose. Then setting his hair using teasing comb and tucked hairspray. Then finishing the look, applying Biotic Bio Fruit Whitening Lip Balm. And at the end, sealing all these products using ELF Cosmetics Matte Magic Mist and Set Setting Spray. So here is the final look. Let me know how much you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, then please give a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And to see more videos like this, keep eye on my channel. It seems he liked the makeover. I don't know really, but it seems. And thank you so much for all your support and love. So for now, we'll take a leave and now we'll do it together. See you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.